kini Mrs. na manang karaman isuna nga nagbalaygi iti daytoy nga dangadang ti pamatik ket daytoy simbolo ti waya-waya nga nawaya-wayaan kayo, nawaya kayo agserbi ti Apo, awan ti makalapad kada tayo sa panagserbi kini Apo Diyos. At dito iso, iti may siya nga nagrigatan ni Pastor, iti panakidangadang na, iti rabaw ti daga, aging gana ti maudi nga angus na. Kupinan tayo dito, katited tayo, kene Madam Adeline Dulay nga isulti Mrs. na agsipot na may maisada nga lasag ket kukwada reto nga panagbalaygi nga agasawa ket maisa nga nakipagbalaygi manang iti dangadang ti pambati ti panakigubat na iti na espiritual nga panakidangadang kadagiti kabusor.
Tatay, your life was a living sermon. You taught us not through words alone, but through your actions, your kindness, and your unwavering devotion to God. Your faith was the anchor of our family, and your dedication to the ministry has left an indelible mark on all who were blessed to know you. You ministered with a gentle heart and tireless spirit. Whether in the pulpit, visiting the sick, you embodied God's love. The seed of faith you planted in countless hearts will continue to bloom for generations. Thank you, Tatay, for dedicating your life to serving the Lord and for being our loving grandfather. You were a true man of God, and your passion for the ministry inspired us all. Your love, guidance, and faith will be profoundly missed. Your smile, your joke, your sermons, your songs, your loud voice, we will miss it, Tatay. But your spirit will live on through the countless lives you impacted. You will live in our heart and to our lives, Tatay. You will never be forgotten. Thank you for showing us what a life of true purpose looks like. Your legacy is not just in the churches you led, but in the life you touch. We will carry your legacy of faith in our hearts forever.
Amok nga agururay iyak
Mas mapatanggidan, tinasantuan na kasuratan na dagiti, makidangan ang mga nagkalantigan, at